Like and subscribe.
Wagwan, the battery gone die. It's your boy Diggs, one half of Life of DIgz&Keebs coming at you with another video. Yes, sir. Flipping DIY digs today, you get me? Got a couple things I need to go manhandle. I'll put a TV up on the wall, but the wall is an inside wall, so like the Americans, it's tin. So I need to put something in the wall first to make it stronger. Is it? Is in. Before we move any further, I need you to go to like, share, subscribe, all that good jazz. Why? Because my did says so. Yeah, boy. You're probably asking, where's wifey? Wifey behind me. She don't want to be on camera right now. She's all feeling mash up and all of that la di da di da. She's just out here digging out nose. Anyway. Anyways.
Man's blowing up the pregnancy ball, huh? Or his mouth.
Get back to pumping. That me blowing into it was blowing it up more than what the pump's doing, bruh. Nearly there now. Oh fuck.
Allow it.
Hi for that.
The way it's focused on your face is a joke. The way it's focused on your face.
No, your mother can't.
Damn. Alright. Be right back.
Alright. Your boy's back. Your boy's back. But hold up. I'm very confused. Where's the ones where? Okay, yeah, I think I know. Ugh. This is my tools and supply right about now. Excuse me. Watch yourself. Show me what you're working with. Don't want to get this wrong, car. It's a TV. You can drop and bracket up. No, the ones where things don't really come with the instructions either. Mad thing. I need a scissor. Hold tight scissor. No scissor in here. There should be. Yes, there is. Blammy. Find the incense cause cookies stinking out the ends. Yes. 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 How you feeling now? Took off her cone head today, guys. But I feel like she's attacking her bruise. Her, what would you call it? Her scarring. Huh?
Sorry, they said 10 days to take it off, so...
I know, but now...
If she rips it open, then she's going right back.
Because now there's just bare fur everywhere, like clump there, clump there.
Oh yeah, that's where it's coming
Clump
from.
there, clump
Where's it
there.
coming from?
Clump there. Clump there. Hush up, man. I'm not trying to stroke you. Stop your belly aching. Thank you. You're looking at it like that. Anyways. Cut open all of that. Put this back. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. It's one of them ones. I don't know which side's left, what side is right. I need to go get the pick. Is this the paperwork? I think this is the paperwork. Yep. Huh?
Maybe she needs to be in our face so we can tell her off for touching the thing. You know what I mean?
What needs to be in our face?
Maybe she needs to be in our face.
Oh.
She's there and waiting there. We don't know what she's doing.
Give me a second, guys. I'm putting you down. Alright, guys. So, boom. I think I'm ready. Shoot. I'm gonna go for it, guys. Wish me luck.
Hey.
Putting holes in walls and that. Well, that's one hole. Right, it's time for us to put it on the wall again. I had it on the wall already a second ago. I thought, let me put the wires in first.
Ah, just like that.
Just like that.
Easy peasy squeezy.
Is it in the middle?
I can't tell. I'm not in the middle myself, so I can't tell.
Apparently there's a way how to make it
Tilt
lean down, but I think that's another reason why I had it off.
Why?
So I could see how to fucking
Do
make
it.
lean. Because obviously right now it's pointing up. It's flat, but it's more tilt up, I guess.
What them two things hanging?
Oh, they're like a release mechanism.
Release 4.
Unlocks it or something like that. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't want to play with it too much, and too it drops.
Look,
But
that's on the TV. Oh, it's here. Let me see. You get in bed. Yeah.
How's it?
It's in the middle, I'll say.